How you do it? You will search for mantle. Search for mantle. You tap on this. So you scroll down. Scroll down. You type find out more. No, sorry. Tap register and spin. Register and spin now. Then you tap this register. This registered. Then you scroll down. You scroll down. You scroll down and you tap answer quiz learn and earn on Mantle Network. You tap answer now. Now you tap learn and earn. Learn to earn. So I'll drop the answers now. So these are the right answers. All these I tick. This and this. So those are the answers. Then you tap submit and share. You tap submit and share. So after what do you call it? After you have done with the learner end, you tap on spin to end. Then you see this 1x. Then you tap on spin. And let's see what I will get on the spin. So after you spin, you can earn 1 MNT or 3 MNT and so on. Or it's just a lucky draw. So most people are winning. So take advantage.